is the input output package. Java.utility package. Java.awt abstract window tooling package. Java.applet. Java's applet package. Java.sql. Java's SQL package. So having several packages, one important package is java.io. In java.io, all the facilities to perform input-output operations are defined in Java's IO package. In that, we can find two broad categories of classes. One is byte stream classes. Second one is character stream classes. Byte string classes are useful when you want to work with information in terms of byte. Character string classes are useful when you want to work with some Unicode characters. This is byte information. To work with a single character, we have to use the character string classes. At the top of the class hierarchy, there are two abstract classes are defined. They are input string and output string. In character string classes, two topmost abstract classes are defined: reader, writer. Input stream and output stream classes provides these classes, right? Input stream and output stream. Both classes define method to perform read and write operations. Read and write methods are defined. Same read and write methods are defined in the character string classes, reader and writer respectively. Read is defined in input stream, write is defined in output stream. Likewise, here read is defined in the reader class, write is defined in the writer class. Remaining classes are the subclasses of input stream and output stream. For example, you can say file input stream, file output stream, data input stream, data output stream, byte array input stream, byte array output stream, filter input stream, filter output stream. These are some of the classes, subclasses defined under the category of input stream and output stream. Likewise, here reader and writer, we can see char array reader, char array writer, filter reader, filter writer, string reader, string writer. These are some of the classes defined. One important class comes under the byte string classes is print stream. Print stream is a class which comes under a category byte stream. The class print stream provides a method print and println. Print and println are defined under the class print stream. Likewise, here in character string, one important class is defined. That class also defines a method, a print and println methods. Print and println, the important difference is println just terminates the output and it focuses the next output into the new line. Then you try to learn what are streams in Java. Stream is an abstraction that either produces or consumes information. Consumes information. There are two kinds of streams. One is the input stream and another one is output stream. The input stream which is defined in class system. System is a class. This is defined in Java's language package. The class system defines some variables, instance variables. In, out, er. These are the variables which are defined as static, final, and using public access modifier. Since these are static variables can be defined using the class name without creating an object, similar to C++ language. System.in. This is completely input stream object. Then system.out. This is completely the output stream object. System.err. This defines the error stream object. Error stream object. This is also the output stream. Now using system.in, we can access since this is completely the input stream object, and the system.in is an object of the class input stream. System.out, this is an object of print stream. Or you can say print writer. Print stream, print writer. Print writer is also a class defined in the character string category. This print writer. This also defines the methods print and print table. So in case of a byte string category, we are having a method print string to access the print and println methods. In case of character string category, we are having a print writer that provides print and println methods to work in case of a characters. So system.out, right, the output stream object. System.out is an object of output stream. That is, this is an object of a print stream class or an object of a print writer class. Likewise, system.err, object of an output stream, that is print stream or print writer class. So conveniently, the system.in, right, input stream object, this is connected with the input device, a keyboard. System.out, the output stream object, connects with the standard output device, monitor or screen. Using object name, methods are accessible. Method names are accessible using the object. Since system dot, as of now, just to focus on the output stream object. Later we are exploring input stream object. System dot out, this is completely an object of output stream, say print stream or print writer. We can access the corresponding methods, right? What are the methods of print stream or print writer? Both are of having a print and println methods. So object name is system.out. Using this, we can access the method name print parameter this or system.out.println parameter this. Hence, object name dot method name. This is valid one. System.out completely defines the output stream object. Here also system.out completely defines the output stream object. Here the method to be accessible is print. Here we are accessing the method println. So just to come to this executable statement, system.out.println. This is a justification. How to explore the statement? System is a predefined class which is defined in Java's language package. One of the package, language package. Out is an output stream variable. This is connected to the standard output device. The variable out, which is defined in the class system, the variable out is defined as public, static, and final variable. So all static variables of a class can be accessible using the class name itself. System.out is a valid one. Print ln, since system.out, this is an object of output stream. Output stream means this is an object of a output stream that you can say either a print writer or a print stream, a class. Now the output stream objects can have the rights to access the corresponding output stream methods. Hence, system.out can have the rights to access the output stream method print or println. Hence, system.out.println, this is a valid access. Object name dot method name, right? Valid access. Now, the parameter list, right? This is the parameter of a method. Parameter of a method, right? Println may take no parameter or one character parameter, one integer parameter, one string parameter, right? So like that, or double parameter, a floating point parameter. So several overloaded versions of a print and println are there. Here we would like to output a message, say welcome to learn Java language to the standard output device. So we used the string value. Strings in Java are enclosed within the opening and the closing double quotes. So welcome to learn Java language. This is a string message. This is to be output. Then this closing curly brace defines here the scope of the main method and the scope of the class welcome ends here in the closing curly brace. You need to save the file as welcome.java. Now let me save the file here. File save as. In F colon, for example, CSC208 space Java, you need to type your file in the notepad and save the file with the extension .java. So save as type, choose this option, all files. File name, main method class name is welcome.java. Then save. File save. Next, enter into the command prompt. F colon cd CSC208 space Java. Type, you can check the file welcome.java. The file is available here. Now we like to compile the file using Java's compiler. Java C. What is the syntax to compile a Java file? Java C file name dot Java. File name is, for example, here welcome.java. Slash star slash, right? That is a problem. Slash star, we introduce the command. After that, right, once it enters, right, star slash here, the compiler detects, right, this is the end of the command line. So let me modify here. The command line is star slash slash. Then here slash star. No more commands are produced here. Okay, star slash. File C. Java C welcome.java. The compiler compiles the file and no compile time errors are there. Now let me show, instead of string, I use the class integer. If not right, I first run the code, then I explain. Java welcome. Java is the name of the interpreter which interprets the bytecode file. Of course, here in the drive, right, you can find the corresponding bytecode file in a colon slash CSE208 Java folder. You can see the bytecode file. This is the bytecode file. Welcome class. We cannot recognize anything from the bytecode file. Bytecode file will be interpreted only using Java's interpreter. Now, after giving the interpreting the bytecode file, Java will come. We see the message. Welcome to learn Java language. Now, let me modify something here. Instead of string, I try to use a class integer. Integer is a built-in class defined in Java's lang package. Now, let us see what happens. During the compilation, no compile time errors are reported. After making from a string into integer, I have saved the file. Recompiling again. Java C welcome.java, no compilation error. Then running the file. Java welcome. Clearly see the error message pointed out by the Java's compiler. Is it? It's not given by the Java's compiler because file has been compiled successfully. Java's interpreter interprets the bytecode file. During that stage, it detects that the main method is not placed inside your class in the sense that main method must take string parameter type. So error, main method not found in class will come. That's what I say. Main method must take a string object arguments array. So please define the main method as public static void main string arguments array. Understand or not? So this way the Java interpreter detects the error. Previously it was string one, string arguments array. Now have a look into this one. I do like to change the main method name as main because Java is a case sensitive language. Now see what happens. I have saved the file, recompiling again. There is no problem. We use main, right? Java compiler will not detect it. You have defined a class with main method small MEIN or capital MEIN, right? Java compiler just compiles the code. Compile time errors are only to be reported. But during the runtime, Java will come. You can see the error message. Main method not found in class will come. Please define the main method as public static void main. What is main? M is a smaller one. Understand or not? So small m main, this is completely different from capital M, but Java compiler will compile classes. Those do not have a main method MEIN. But however, during the runtime, when interpreting the Java's bytecode file, Java runtime system requires the usage of a main method. Main method must be defined inside your code. Why means program execution begins at the main method. So in this case, program execution starts here within this opening at this opening curly brace. So the first executable statement is welcome to learn Java semicolon. All executable statements in Java ends with a semicolon. So here we can see that message. Welcome to learn Java language. Understand?
Yes,
Any
sir.
queries? I explained how to go through the Java's help and how to install JDK and how to go through the online help. So please note it. You have to go to Google, type Oracle Java, type Oracle Java in Google and go through this link, Java SE downloads. Click it. We can see several versions of Java. For example, Java Standard Edition 14, then previous edition 11, then previously, right, JDK 8, that is 1.8 actually, then 7, a previous versions you can find it, right? Here the latest version is Java SE 14. In case if your operating system is a 64-bit operating system, how to check it? Go to my computer, Right click it and properties. Check. For me, it's a 32-bit operating system, so 64 based processor. So I cannot install currently this version JDK 14. I cannot be installed right in my machine. So you try to check in case if yours is 64-bit operating system. What you have to do is go through this link. Repair. If not, go for Java Standard Edition 11, or in case if we have a 32-bit operating system, we go to this link, Java SE, right? 8, Java Standard Edition 8. Go to click this JDK download. It will prompt you, right, to choose 32-bit operating system or the 64-bit operating system. x86 normally Windows x86 means a 32-bit operating system. Windows x64, right? This is 64-bit operating system. So go through this link, Windows x86. Click this link, JDK 8.exe, and download this link. Then you try to install so that JDK 1.8, that is JDK 8 version will be installed in your machine. In case if you want to go through the online help, try to install the latest version. If not right, you can convert your 32-bit operating system into a 64-bit operating system. A procedure is there, right? You follow that. So after that, right, if you want to go for online documentation, you click this link for documentation. And documentation, I can find these links, home API documentation, books, related documentation, because this is the latest version, JDK 14. You need to click this one, API documentation. At any stage data, this is your online help URL. So try to bookmark it in your machine. For example, Java online help. I already bookmarked this Java online help. So if you type Java online help in the address bar, right, it's automatically taken. Then the page will be loaded. So in this page, right, you try to see right what is actually available. In the later versions of Java, right, there is a concept of called module. Several packages are combined into a thing called module. So in this, right, you can find one important module is java.base. Other than that, different modules are there. Java.sql, right? This is also a module. This is also a package defined in Java's language. You click java.base. By clicking java.base, what happens? Java.base is a module. Several packages are combined into this module. You can find right some of the packages defined in this module. Java.io, this is the input-output package. Java.lang, this is a language package. Likewise, you can find Java.math. Previous versions, right? Java.math. This is not a package. Instead, math capital M class. Math is a class which is defined in Java's language package. So here in the later versions, Java.math is packed as a separate package. Java.net. Likewise, you can see right the several Java.time, right? Java.util. Previously Java.time, there is no package. Instead, time is a class defined in Java's language package. Util, net, javax.net, several packages are combined into a thing called a module in Java. If you want to explore right the contents of these packages, right, for example, click java.lang package. In java.lang package, here what is a package? Package is nothing but collection of classes and interfaces. These are the interfaces. Interfaces are similar to classes, but they take instance variables. Method declarations are provided. Later we explore the concept of interfaces. So these are the predefined or standard built-in interfaces defined in Java's language package. And here you can see the class summary, right? Here you can find several classes. We have explored right one important class called string. So string class, if you want to explore the methods of string class, print string. Here you can see the constructor summary, here field summary, then method summary. The variables, methods, constructors, all are declared here, right? Defined here. Let us explore a class called string as a system class. Here system, S is a capital one. Clicking the system class, you can see its own instance variables, constructors, methods. We have seen right three important variables. What are they? In, right? In which defines the standard input stream, out which defines the standard output stream, ERR which defines the standard error stream. In, right, this is defined in the class like input stream, right? So static return type is input stream. In ERR out, these are defined in the variables of system class, but its return type is this input stream here, ERR and out, right? Objects of print stream class. So completely system.in defines the input stream object, system.out or system.err defines the standard output stream object. Here you can find several methods of.
Sir, is input stream and output stream are classes, sir?
Yes, input stream and output stream are the two topmost abstract classes in byte stream category. Here, the variables in ERR out are defined in the system class, but these variables are of taking this data type, right? Input stream, print stream, this print stream associated with the input stream object or output stream object. That's what system.in, because this is a static variable. Static variables can be accessed without using the object name of the class. Simply class name is enough. Class name is what on? System. So system.in, system.out, system.err. These are valid. Understand or not?
Yes, sir. In and out are the
So here,
system class with the data type as input stream and output stream, sir. Like
yeah, in write a variable which is used to connect to the standard input stream. The object name is system.in. System.in is completely the input stream object. System.out is completely the output stream object. Now let us explore what is println. I have said two important classes. One is a byte stream classes and another one is character stream classes. You try to note it. In the byte stream classes, the corresponding class is print stream. In the character string classes, the corresponding class is print writer. Both of these classes provide methods of print and println. To check that, go to java.io, click this package. You can have the interfaces and the classes summary. In this, you can see the classes that we have listed out, the input string, right? This is the abstract superclass. Likewise, output string, this is the abstract superclass in byte string category. Then you can find the classes reader and writer, PQR, reader, right? This is the character string, topmost abstract class. Writer, character string, topmost abstract class, provides a method, read, write methods, reader, writer, input stream and output stream. Then the important class is a print stream. Print stream comes under the byte stream category. If you click the print stream, you can see several overloaded versions of a print and a println methods. Here, have a look into these things. Print, print boolean, print character say, print character array, print double, float, int, empty print. You can also find it, right? Likewise, println, right? Overloaded versions. Or these are defined in the print stream class. Likewise, check it in the print writer. I forgot writing this time, right? So print writer here we have written a print writer. This is a class that comes under a character string category. Clicking the print writer, an important class. A println methods are defined. We can verify here. Println overloaded versions are defined. So just have the concept. Objects are responsible for accessing the member functions or methods. So here we have the output stream object system.out. So using this, the corresponding output stream class methods. Output stream class that we mean either a print stream or print writer. Print stream and print writer both provide print and println methods. So system.out.println, this is a valid one. Understand or not?
Actually, we
We'll go
cannot.
through this.
Sir, actually, we cannot
Yes.
install objects of the abstract classes, no, sir. So your input stream and output stream are the abstract classes. Then how are we instantiating the objects of the abstract classes, like out and in?
I didn't. Oh yeah, I didn't say print, println are the methods of input stream or output stream. I didn't say. Instead, print and println are the methods of a class called print stream. Actually, print stream, this is a class. This comes under a category called output stream. But input stream and output stream, right, provides the methods read and write respectively. Print is not defined even in output stream. Print, println are only defined in the print stream and print writer classes. Of course, we have a good question. Print and println are methods of print stream and print writer, not in the topmost abstract classes, say output stream or writer. Understand?
Sir, in and out.
Understand or not?
Sir, in and out are the objects of input stream and output stream, no, sir.
No, in and outputs, in and out are not the objects. In and output are
Instance
the
variables.
static and yeah, wait, I explain. In and out are the static final public instance variables of the class. Normally, if you write a class student, here inside the class student, you can write integer roll number. Roll number is a variable, right? In Java, variables are said to be instance variables. Inside the class system, the predefined instance variables are in, out, ERR. Since these are static and final variables, static variables implies you can access the variables using the class name itself. So in, out, ERR are simply instance variables. These instance variables are accessible using the class name. So completely system.in is equal to the input stream object. System.out is equivalent to the output stream object. Input stream objects can have the rights to access the corresponding input stream methods. Output stream object can have the rights to access the corresponding methods defined in the output stream classes, say print stream or print writer. That's what system.out as the output stream object right, can have the rights to access the print and println methods. Understand?
In and out are of what data types, sir? Like they are the input streams, or they'll be like integer register number if we are defining, then
Yeah, wait. In and out are defined right using the data type as in for input stream, out ERR for this print stream return type. Data types are defined as for in, that is the input stream object. For out ERR, the variables are defined as print stream. We try to check it here in the class system, which is defined in Java slang package. Java.lang. Explore a class called system. You can see the predefined variables declaration in, out, ERR. Here in data type is of input stream, out and ERR of print stream. Clear?
sir, input
Clear or not?
input stream is not an abstract class, sir.
Yes. Input stream is an abstract class. Yeah.
Then
Here it's a returned data type is of, yeah, wait, I explain. It's data type is of here input stream, right? We are not accessing the methods of this input stream here. Some methods are there, right? Later we explore. As far as out is concerned, right here, print stream is not an abstract class. Later we see system.in.read, that is valid here, but here system.out.println, those are valid. because print stream provides print and println methods. Output stream object can have the rights to access the corresponding methods.
So what about input stream, sir?
What about input stream? See, if you have to look into, right, what is an abstract class, right? Abstract class means here there read and write methods are there. I mean system.in.read. For that I am giving you the explanation. Abstract class, suppose if X is an abstract class, the class X can be right extended. That means in some of the subclasses. In that stage, the subclass right can have the rights to access the abstract class methods. So read and write is there means right the corresponding extended class of the abstract class can have the rights to access the abstract class methods. Later we explore right the concept of an abstract classes. So as of now, just to think of system.in is the input stream object, system.out is the output stream object. Objects are responsible to access the corresponding methods with respect to output stream category or input stream category. Clear or not?
Sir, actually, my doubt is as input stream is an abstract class, no, sir. So how can we instantiate the object input stream in, sir? Because we cannot do like that, no, sir. Actually, abstract class is generally used for not instantiating objects. So we need to be like not instantiate objects of the abstract class, no, sir. But here we are in if in
1 minute. Wait, I explain. I didn't say system.in, right? This is valid with respect to this input stream because below input stream there are several subclasses are there. For example, I have listed out, right? Data input stream, data output stream. Just have a look into file input stream, file output stream, byte array input stream, for example, filter input stream. All of these input stream classes can have the rights to access the abstract methods read and write. So all of the abstract methods are completely redefined in file input stream, data input stream, byte array input stream, filter input stream. Later you need to create an object of these classes, file input stream, data input stream, byte array input stream, filter input stream. Using these objects, you can have the rights to access the read method. I didn't say using the input stream object, you can access read method. It's not possible because input stream is completely an abstract class, right? Abstract classes are just the base classes similar to C++. Here, abstract classes are simply the super classes, right? Which are used to serve for defining different extended or subclasses to achieve the one interface multiple aspects, right? Of polymorphs. Clear or not?
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. One thing, yeah, you try to go through this category, byte string classes and character string classes. You just click into this one, right? You will understand. For example, 1 second. Are you free this hour? Are you free this hour?
Yes, sir.
1 to 2? Okay. 1 minute. Here, where is our super class? There is abstract super class. Input stream. You click this.
Excuse me, sir. If it is like a flowchart, means we can very easily understand, sir. If it is like flowchart, like that object classes and all that, it will be very helpful for us, sir. If it is like a flowchart.
1 minute. Yeah, I explained, right? I have 1 minute. Actually, right, in the online help, right? There is no flowchart version. Instead, the subclasses and the methods are documented in such a way that using hyperlinks. So clicking that, right, you will see the complete explanation. In case if you want to go through, your question is good. If you want to go through, right, what are the subclasses coming under the input stream category and what are the subclasses, right, coming under the output stream category, right? You please refer the complete reference book, right? In that, right, two tables are there, right? One table which is defining the byte stream classes. Another table is defining the entire classes and the character stream classes. In that, right, you can find, right, two classes, input stream, output stream. Remaining classes are, right, mostly, right, these are the common words: file, data, byte array, filter. You have to substitute file input stream, file output stream. Hope you understand. Data input stream, data output stream. Byte array input stream, byte array output stream. Filter input stream, filter output stream. Right? Some way, right? Same. Char array, filter stream. The words are used to define reader and writer. For example, filter reader, filter writer. String reader, string writer. Char array reader, char array writer. Print writer. There is no print reader. Likewise, here only one string, print string, which supports the print and println methods. Likewise, here you can find the string reader, string writer, right? Some other specialized classes are there. So for there is no flowchart person. Please go through the complete reference, right? In the two tables are there. Go through the list of byte string classes and the list of character string classes and understand what are the two topmost abstract classes here in byte string as well as in the character string classes.
Okay, sir.
Shall we go through the MCQs for just 5 to 10 minutes now?
Okay, sir.
Shall I proceed for 10 minutes? Are you okay? Say
Yes, sir.
For this session, I will try to answer these queries. Java's built-in methods println and print are available through
Out.
system dot
Out. System dot out.
system dot out. What about system dot err?
Option D.
I do like to write as
Or it is
Option D,
also
sir.
sir. System
Option
dot
D,
TR
sir.
also.
Yeah, once again, right? You need to check how system.err object can access the corresponding output stream methods, because standard error stream is also monitored, right? Screen system.err, right, can have the rights to print, rights to access print and println. Please check it, right? Second one, identify the true statement.
D.
Not you find out.
All the above.
All the above.
All
Yeah,
of these.
All of the above.
very good. Third one.
D.
Static and final. D.
Static and final, sir.
Wait. Static and final are the keywords. True, false, null, const, go to. These are the keywords. True, false, null, right? These are the reserved words. Const and go to are also reserved keywords. That means we should not use the keywords, right? Const and go to. These are reserved keywords. Static and final are keywords. That is not a reserved one. We can use it. We can use it, right? Public static void name string arguments. Static is introduced. Final is introduced, right? For defining in, out, ERR variables. Constant go to are the only reserved keywords. We can use true, false, null. Later we are exploring the Boolean data type, and one object can be initialized to null. That is possible. These we can use. Reserved in the sense that we try to avoid. Fourth one.
Option C.
True, false, null. And
Option C.
Yes.
And
All
Option
are
C,
reserved
sir.
names. All are reserved names, but not keywords. Understand? True, false, null, where. These are not the keywords, but they are reserved words in Java. In the latest version. The most commonly used separator in Java is
semicolon.
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 yeah, semicolon separates the atomic elements of Java. Find out the separators in Java.
Option B.
Option
Option D, sir.
B, sir.
See, in the latest version of Java, right, which is used to annotate something. This is used to refer something, constructor reference. These three dots, right, can have some ellipses, right, some have some specific purpose, right, later we explore. So all of these are the separators in Java. Each can have its own purpose. How will you define the documentation command in Java?
Option
So,
A.
Option A, sir.
Yeah. Slash star star ends with a star slash. Identify the invalid literal. Literal means constant, right? Literal means constant.
Option D.
Option D, sir.
Option D.
Yeah. Character constant can have exactly one character.
Only one character, but it has so many.
So invalid identifier.
Option B, sir.
Option A. Option
Option
A.
B, sir. Option B.
Option B.
D. Option
B. What about
Option-
A?
Option A, sir.
That is
A and
minus,
B.
right? And then minus again. That is minus. Average minus value cannot be used as an identifier.
Option A and B.
Option no. B, right? Dollar. You can start the identifiers from dollar character onwards. First character may be a dollar character. Dollar. This is a perfect identifier. This is a valid underscore, right? Underscores can be introduced any number of times, even as the first character. Underscores can be introduced. Mean for a perfect identifier. Only this one, minus is introduced in between two words. This cannot be taken as a variable name, a method name, a class name, object name, etc. 10th one.
Option A.
Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
D.
B, sir.
B. Underscore, right? I said underscores can be introduced even in C++ also. Underscore X. This is permitted. You can introduce underscores like any number of times. That is valid. You try to check it in Java also. For example, 2 underscore. I type it twice. Underscore X, Y, Z. First character must not be integer, right? I said dollars allowable, underscores allowable. 11th one.
Option 4, sir.
In Java.
All of these.
All of these.
All of these,
All
sir.
of these.
Form, feed, all of these correct. Java programs are a collection of
All of these.
All of these.
All of these.
are atomic elements of Java. All of these is correct. 13th. Blocks of code. In the first session, I mentioned the term
E, sir.
Code blocks.
Code blocks. Block.
code
blocks.
block.
Code blocks, sir.
Yeah. 14th one.
Sir, opening and closing.
Block of
Option A.
Option A, curly
Option A.
braces.
Option A.
Option A.
where can we apply a code block? 15th one.
All
A
of
code
these.
block.
All of these.
All
All
of
of these, sir.
Yes, all of these. 16th one. Simplest form of the for loop is.
Option A.
Find out.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
Option A. 17th one.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
Option A,
Input
sir.
allowed string.
Option A.
Yeah. What about the same in character string classes?
Option B.
Option B. Reader and writer.
Option B, sir.
Reader and writer. Reader and writer. Read and write methods are defined in
Option C.
Both A and B, sir.
both
Option C, sir.
because
Both A and
reader, input string have a read method. Writer and output string define the write method. Both A and B. Print and println methods are defined in
C, sir.
Option C. Both A
Both
and
A
B.
and
Option C, sir.
Option C, sir.
yeah. Identify the predefined stream variables of system class.
Option D.
Option D, sir.
Option
All of
D.
B.
all of these.
All of these.
All of these.
Yes. System.in is an object of type.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
System.out and system.err are objects of type.
Option B.
Option B.
Option
Output.
B, sir.
Outputs.
C, sir.
Output
C.
stream.
Print stream, not output stream.
Options.
Because these objects can have the rights to access the output stream method. Output stream class means print stream. As one of you asked, how the object can access the abstract class method. Good question. Output stream is defined at the top of the class hierarchy. Below that class hierarchy, we have one method called print stream. Print stream provides a print and println methods. So system.out and system.err can have the rights to access the extended class of a class called output stream. 24.
Option D, sir.
Option B.
Option D, sir.
Yeah, public, static, and final. Once a variable is defined as a final one, its value cannot be changed. For example, int final strength is equal to say 119 semicolon. It's similar to a symbolic constant in C language as defined strength 119. This is C version. This is Java version. Where in C++ you have to use const int strength is equal to 119. This is one usage of final keyboard, right? Later we explore other uses of final. 25th.
All of these, sir.
All of
Of the-
these.
all of
All of these, sir.
All of these.
Yeah, that's what I say. As one of you asked the flowchart representation. Please go through the complete character stream classes and the byte stream classes through the complete reference book. In that, right, two tables are there. You can find string reader, string writer, pushback reader. There is no pushback writer. Understand? So these are the classes defined under the category of character stream classes. Any other queries? If you have any queries, you can ask. Shall we wind up the session? What is pushback reader? Pushback reader, right? That is one class that is specifically designed to execute some specific purpose. Please go through that complete reference book. Not all class methods are used for all applications. So we need to choose, right, the relevant methods available in a particular class. For your query, right, I explained through the files concept. In case in Java, if you want to introduce the concept of files, I do want to write some information in terms of file, reading the information from a file or writing the information to a file. What I have to do is, I have to use the class called file input stream. For file input stream class, I have to create the object. Then if I want to write a file, I have to create an object of file output stream, right, with respect to read mode as well as write mode. So pushback reader, right, can have its own specific purpose. You please go through that. Some methods are defined in it. Based on the requirement, we can use the methods, specific methods.
Sir, please put the page number for that. You told us that for complete reference, we will have that flow chart for what I explained today. Please put that page number in Google Classroom, sir.
1 minute, I show it. You can check it. I think I have uploaded
Yes,
the complete reference book already.
Yes, sir, you
Chapter
uploaded.
number 12 or, yeah, 12 or 13. I forgot the number. Chapter number 13. You click this IO hyperlink is set, right, in the complete reference book. Here this is IO package, IO basics. For your query, right, these are the list of classes coming under the byte stream classes defined in java.io. Second table, you can go through the list of classes defined in the character stream classes. You please, so you please go through, right, this topic also. the predefined streams. Reading console input, right, we explore later, right, using system.in, right. As of now, right, just to go through the fundamentals in IO, and the third chapter, I think. Third chapter we have covered writing simple programs in Java. Sorry, second chapter, overview of Java, right. Go through this. In the next session, I will focus on the data types in Java and how to introduce, right, the command line inputs. We need to explore how to process the command line inputs basically. And then, right, we explore the data types in Java and we continue. Any other queries? Okay, thank you very much. We will discuss in the next session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.